Hey friends, and welcome to my house. Mi casa es su casa. So walking in the door, you are going to see this cute little pup. Look at him. Like he's being so freaking adorable. And then look, he's like, oh, hey mom, what you doing? But anyways, walking in my front door, this is what you are going to see. Guys, my house is small, but it's filled with lots of love, and it's humble brag, but this is my house. So walking in my front door, you're going to see pretty much everything. Yeah, so I have a little hook here, holds our bags, and there's Benny's little bedroom, and yeah, so majority of my home decor is very much thrifted. I went ahead and changed up kind of the scene of it. I've been stepping away a lot from the farmhouse chic, just because, I live in a city and I don't like living in a farmhouse. So I really have been enjoying like the boho chic. So let me know below, who are your favorite accounts to follow for home decor. My girl Crystal Heredia, she has really great decor pieces, and the rustic palette, love her. So first thing I'm showing you is this little table. I made it. It's not the best, but whatever. And I have this little book that I thrifted from the thrift store and just took off the covers. And on it is this white lamp with this burlap shade. And I found a bunch of these little baskets and kind of just placed them different colors, different textures. Again, just trying to bring the whole vibe together. This was actually over the weekend, right before we celebrated my daughter's graduation. So I have her graduation picture out. This picture, I probably need to change the frame, but this is actually a picture of my mom and all her siblings. I think it was like from the mid-70s, so I love that picture. And then we just have like our grandparents, the girls when they were little, me and Leo, our parents, just kind of everybody that, was so close to us growing up. And the sign says, some call it chaos, we call it family, and no truer words are spoken. Then going ahead and switching around, kind of turning around, you're going to see our like living area. My couch and recliner are from Ashley Furniture. And this little basket my mom gave me, I have it set on top of these doilies that I get from the Dollar Tree. Love them. And yeah, I just have this orange poppy candle burning from Marshall's. And I got these new curtains. These 4-pack were from Ross, and they're like in a peachy pink color. And again, it just brings that whole romantic boho vibe. Okay, honey, I'm like boho in it. And there's Benny being so cute, my little helper. And yeah, so if you could see, the rug and the curtains kind of bring out each other, and I just really enjoy it. I think it's such a fun, they just complement each other so well. On my TV stand, I have this runner that I got from Hobby Lobby during the winter sale, and it's really textured, woven. I just think it's, again, just brings the whole vibe together. And here are these two pictures. I actually got both of these pictures for $5 from a local thrift store, and the frame is actually a wooden frame, and inside they have these pretty like florally pictures in there. I don't know if they're painted, I don't know, but they look really pretty. And then here are my floating shelves. I always keep these little burlap wrapped bottles up there. Again, some more books that I found from the thrift store, and I just took off the cover. That home sign is from the Dollar Tree, and another basket from the thrift store. Honey, the thrift store is where it's at. Don't fret if you can't find everything all at once. Be patient, you will get to it, I promise. Other shelf has some more books on there, and some of these bottles. So the two smaller ones are from Target Dollar Spot. The bigger one is from Hobby Lobby, and that basket is from the thrift store. And on the other side of the wall is a, the other partner to the picture, again with the floral picture in the center. And my lamp here is from Costco, and I just have this little iron stand. I just picked this basket up, and I thought it was really kind of brought everything together. Inside the basket, I have 2 extra pillows and this blanket, just if anybody wanted to lay on the couch and really get comfortable. It's there. I just wanted to not have like tons of pillows on the couch because it isn't that big, and I feel like it kind of just was overwhelming and kind of made it look a little cluttered. And with the kids, they kind of always throw it on the floor. So here's another view of the house. Again, small, but filled with lots of love. And turning around, here is our dining area. That chandelier light is from Costco also. And I just have this mirror that I found, and I painted the frame white and have these little white filler flowers. These woven placemats I found from the thrift store, they were $1 each. I was so excited. This little wooden stand I actually had Leo make for me, and I stained it, and I filled it with like little Dollar Tree flowers, and these 2 large candles are from Ross. I keep this little box out all year long, and I just fill it with different flowers or fillers for whatever season I am in, or however my decor is going. I change my decor all the time. It's insane. Yeah, so I have these little, everybody has these little wall face things, these little metal ones, Hobby Lobby. And that schoolhouse clock is my mom's, and that curio cabinet was my mom's also, and I painted that white, and there's a basket on top. And yeah, so that's kind of how the whole area melts in together. Turning around now, and we are in my kitchen. You don't make a lot of turns around here, it's just kind of a quick turn. But yeah, I went ahead and painted my cabinets last year white, and so far so good. This little wooden coffee bar Leo made for me a few years ago. It's all 2x4s. I have a video on it. It was so easy. That wooden cutting board was from Ross, and I just went ahead and we have like a little like bar cart. I say that loosely, but yeah, that's where we kind of keep all the adult bevies. And up here is where I have all my coffee stuff. You see my Perfect Keto, my MCT oils, all that stuff. And then on the wall, I have these really pretty cotton stem pictures. I thought they brought in the rustic thing, but they weren't overly country. I got those from Hobby Lobby. And here is a shelf. These cookbooks are my grandfather's. The 2 older ones are from 1923, and the Fanny Farmer cookbook is from 1962. My grandfather was huge on cooking, and, I miss him. So I thought it was nice just to have pieces of him around. And yeah, so that little mason jar I painted, Dollar Tree flowers, and that greens is from, I think, Hobby Lobby. And, we old school, so, here's our phone. But another view, and I don't know, I like it. It brings it all together. On top of my fridge, I have that jug that I got from a thrift store, and that yum sign from Hobby Lobby, and then a basket full of my dog's treats. We recently got new appliances this year. So far, so good. Loving them. And then I picked this bread box up from a thrift store. Again, your girl is about the deal. And I topped it with those 2 lemons, and that It's Good to Be Home sign is from the Dollar Tree. The 2 lemons are from the Target dollar spot. I got this bread box for $3. Look at that. Isn't it so cute? I cleaned it up real good, but I love having it. And again, this was my daughter's graduation party weekend, so I did all the places you'll go. And I added those green picks from the Dollar Tree and another mason jar. And here's our counters and our kitchen. Those dishes are clean, I swear to it. I just forgot to put them away. There's Ray's room back there. It's pretty clean though, you'll be surprised. But yeah, another view of our kitchen. And yeah, so when I painted the cabinets white, I really feel like it just brightened up this whole room. I am looking for some artwork to go above my sink where that Bless This Kitchen is. I would love like a big wooden sign. So, okay, now we're down the hallway, and these were our 3 bedrooms, and another closet is, again, very small. But these are just some pictures we have. This was when I was pregnant with Sophia, and that was Rhea when she was little. She was about 4 years old. I think she just turned 5 here. So family, all because 2 people fell in love. And this picture is the night me and Leo got engaged. So many, many moons ago. We've been married 10 years in March. So it was, I don't know, we were young there, a lot less gray hair. So I went ahead and I did one of these basket walls. It was really hard for me because my walls are plaster. Are they plaster? I don't know. It's really hard for me to put nails in. So I was trying to use the command strips and they weren't sticking. So I kind of had to be picky about how I did it. But that's how they came out. And in here is my bathroom. This is the only bathroom we have. Yeah, so I went ahead and kind of changed it up. I need to actually remodel this bathroom, but Rome wasn't built in a day, guys, so we're just kind of taking it slow. But I picked up this new shower curtain. It was $15 from Marshall's, and I love the tassels that it has on it. Again, staying with the whole boho look. And then on top of my toilet here, I have a basket full of bath bombs. My mom actually gave these to me, and they're all like lavender and what is it called, ylang ylang and lemon, and there's some eucalyptus in there, just essential oil bath bombs. Love them. A candle and, some air freshener because life happens. And then on my shelves here, I just have a couple things, some mirrors, A lot of this stuff is so old. I've had it for many, many years. I do know those blue flowers are from Michael's. And then on the sink here, I have this sign I got from Marshalls, and I put "Wash your hands, you filthy animal." So funny, right? And some soap and some clean hand towels because I don't want to be nasty. And then I just added tons of mirrors in here to really brighten up the space. My sister said it's ideal for selfies. So yeah, I put that mirror right here. And then these 3 little mirrors used to be in the hallway, and I added them to right here just to kind of bring everything together. I'm going to eventually change up the space, but eventually I think the next room I will attack is going to be my bedroom. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do that, comment down below. But thank you guys for checking out my crib, and I love you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take it easy, friends.